Alright, in this video we're going to quickly go through how to use Markdown to create articles in StockBossUp and then talk about how the AI can just do it for you. And also while I talk about the Markdown, I'll discuss why each feature of the article is important when it comes to SEO and AI chat boxes. So for our evergreen articles, you don't have to worry about a stock. However, if you are going to write a stock article, you'll want to put it in there. When you put a stock symbol in there, be sure to click it. It's very important that you click it so that it goes in here. But anyways, we will not be doing that for these articles. So the first thing is the title. The title is very important because this is what is going to be shown in the Google search, the Bing search, the AI chat box. It is the main title. And the keywords that we're going for really should be in the title. It doesn't have to, but typically, the AI and the algorithms are kind of dumb and they want simpler the better. The next is the description. This is a meta tag that will most likely be the description underneath the title when you look for it in search. So when this article pops up, it will be the description of the article. Next are the tags. This is really for StockBossUp search. You can add, we suggest that you add the financial literacy tag and the new investor guide tag for these articles. You can skip the sentiment. Next is the cover image. The cover image is absolutely crucial. Sometimes will pop up in search as not just a link, but actually an object. So the cover image will show up next to the description. So it's very important that you can put together a cover image. Now, the AI can actually do the cover image for you. Just ask for it. We'll do that in another video. But basically, ask for a cover image for your article after you finish writing it, and then ask for it to be widescreen. That way, it's the right size for the article. Next is the actual Markdown itself. So here's some key tidbits to come back to if you forget how to do it. So first off, everything's up here. So you can find everything up here. If you want to bold something, that's what the bold will be. It will even bold it for you in this text editor right here, even though you can actually see it here as the preview. But it previews it as bold right there. If you want italics, all you have to do is press that in italics. And of course, these little asterisks are the indicator that it's going to be italics. Headers are very important. Headers really need to be in your article. Those are also going to be what the search and the AI uses to determine if you have the right keywords. So keywords should be in your headers. So to put a header, you could just press H and that'll do it. But key thing is when you have a H1 header, which is what this is, that is your title. If you have another H1 in your article, it will confuse all the AIs and the algorithms of the world. You really want to have an H2. That's the right header you want to have in your article as you go through it. If you have subtopics underneath those, you can do an H3, an H4, and then what I do for images, if I want to do a reference to an image or some kind of little note, I'll do an H6. All right? Boom. And just to show you what each one looks like. Boom. Now there's other things you can do if you want to strike something out. Just got to press this button. If you want to put code in, you can press this button, but I'm not sure if you want to do that. And then if you want to do like a quote or something, you use this. And that will show a quote. All right. Now, to add an image, you just have to press this. But if you want to upload an image, so that's for the image. If you want to upload an image, you come here and load a picture. All right. You can load your picture, and then let's just do our little croc here just for the fun of it. Boom. Just for simplicity, I'll save it. And then note where you're going to be at right there. Add image. Boom. There's your image. Nice and easy. If you want a link, which as you go forward is going to be very important, then all you have to do is do a link right here. There is a link. Boom. Put whatever you want in there. Boom. Boom. Now I'll pop up Google. Easy peasy. So all that's great, right? But the most important part of all this, so that you're not worried that this is going to take a long time, is that the AI can do all this for you in Markdown. If it doesn't do it in Markdown for you the first time, you can just ask it to do it. So here I said, write a 4-paragraph article in Markdown about investing in SoFi stock in Markdown. I just said it twice. Include headers for each paragraph. At the end, include a Markdown table of 3 competitors and their dividends. So one note is that when I copy this, it's going to be in the code format. So I will fix that once I copy it over. But let's copy it over here. Let's get rid of all our fun stuff we did earlier. Put this new one in. And you already can tell it's kind of already in there the way it should be. And then I look at the preview. And there you go. It's already all set for you. All the headers are there. The table is nice and made. I didn't have to put that all in. I asked the AI to do it for me. I said, create a Markdown table of 3 competitors and their dividends. Boom. You can even do more smart things to link it back to StockBossUp, which is going to be really helpful. But we'll talk about that in another video. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.